Hello viewers, hope that you are well. Today I am going to discuss about average color dyeing process knit dyeing fabric. Here ratio is material liquor ratio equivalent to 1:7. Here flow chart for average color dyeing is as below. Gray fabric loading in machine. After that, loading hot at 60 centigrade for 10 minutes. After that, we drain. Then scouring at 99 degrees centigrade for 60 minutes. After that, temperature down to 70 degrees centigrade and rinse for 4 minutes and drain again. After that, we wash for 8 minutes and drain. After that, we increase temperature up to 90 degrees centigrade for 10 minutes. Then wash for 5 minutes and drain. And after that, 1.5 gram per liter acetic acid using at 60 degrees centigrade for 10 minutes. After that, we drain and use enzyme at 57 degree centigrade for 60 minutes. Need to keep a pH 4.5. We should check pH by litmus paper. After that, 80 degrees centigrade into 10 minutes, we increase the temperature and after that we decrease temperature to 70 degrees centigrade at cooling temperature and drain again. After that, 50 degrees centigrade we wash and use leveling agent 0.5 gram per liter at 50 degrees centigrade. Need to keep a pH 5.5 to 6. After that, color dosing. Here color dosing for 30 minutes and run time is 10 minutes. After that, salt dosing in 10 minutes. This is average color, so that we are using salt in 10 minutes. Run time is 10 minutes. Soda dosing 30 minutes. Soda need to dosing always. After the dyeing started, then rinse for 7 minutes and drain again. After that, 60 degrees centigrade wash 3 times. Then at 90 degrees centigrade for 10 minutes, hot wash for 10 minutes and then acid using 0.5 gram per liter, then fixing and softener using. After that, acetic acid using 0.1 gram per liter and unloading the fabrics. If you have subscribed my channel, then thanking you. If you have not subscribed, then please hit the subscribe button and hit the bell button to see new videos.